Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use the resource Kanopy. Kanopy is an award-winning video streaming service providing access to more than 30,000 independent and documentary films, titles of unique social and cultural value from the Criterion Collection, the Great Courses, Media Education Foundation, and thousands of independent filmmakers. To access Kanopy, visit dclibrary.org/go digital, then scroll down to the list of services to access Kanopy. When you first use Kanopy, what you want to do is enter your email address and password as well as your library card number and PIN, then hit the login button. When you open Kanopy, you'll be greeted with a collection of movies and shows to view. In the top left-hand corner, you will see your list of credits. These credits are used to watch the various films, and they reset once a month and do not have a rollover period. So if you don't use them, they will not stack and roll over to the next month. The credit is used if you watch about 30 seconds of the film, and you have access to it for about 3 days after the initial view. Down below, there are features such as home, browse feature, a search feature, a list of saved things that you already previously watched, and a more button where you can view your account and your account information.